Good morning, budgeting friends. Welcome or welcome back to Work Right Planner. On this channel, we talk about my budgeting journey as I learn about finance and try to pay off 6 figures of overall debt. That does include my house. Here I share my successes and my failures in hopes that none of you make the same mistakes that I did. So if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for your support, for watching, for commenting, all of the things. I appreciate you so much. And if you're new here, pull up a seat and stay a while. Today we are doing savings challenges. We don't have much money towards savings challenges, but it's kind of been designed that way because the only time money gets put toward that is 15% of any extra income that I get past my variable budget. So I don't usually have a whole lot to go toward this. We do have $19 though. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay. So the way that this works is we've got this little budget book here, and I have my most important savings challenges kind of earmarked here. I'm going to set this one over here. We have a 6-sided die, but we can, I guess if we did 6, it would be a 1 and a 5. But we're going to do these first because it's going to choose how much goes to these first. So let's roll. This one's going to get 3. I'm going to say appliances gets 3. And I'm going to color this in. So now for the automatic litter box. It's going to get 4. So I'll color that in. And then gifts is the next one that I'm working on. I don't know that you can even see all of this. Let me scoot that up a little bit. We're going to roll, and it's also going to get 4. So let's color that in. Okay, so that's everything that we do in the book for now. And that accounts for $11 of our 19, which you can't even see that. So we have $8 left. And what we're going to do is I have a 20-sided die and the 6. And I'm going to roll both of these. The 20-sided die is going to tell us which one of the categories that we're going to use. Of course, if I get anything other than 17, I'll have to roll again. And then, actually, let me put the 6-sided die down because 8 is not going to go very far if we get anything more than 1. So I'll just roll this 8 times and it'll tell me where we need to put $1. Okay, let's do that. Okay, so it looks like we're going to have $5 go into appliances, $6 into the litter robot, $4 into gifts, $1 into vacation, $1 into home improvement, $1 into honeymoon, and $1 into new computer. So let's do this. We're going to start with appliances, and we're going to put in $5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I will never do that again. Okay. So that'd be 76. So we've got 20, 40, 60, 70, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 76, and well, that doesn't get us to the next one, so we don't get to color anything in on that one. That's okay. We're still $76 closer to having new appliances, or well, never. We don't need new appliances. We just need to never have to finance new appliances again. That's what we're getting toward. Okay, so the little robot is gonna get 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See, I told you I wouldn't do it again. I wasn't too far off though. $153 is what we should have. So we've got 100, 20, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 1, 2, and 3. There we go. Now, 153 divided by 15 is 10. So we can color in one. Check that out, y'all. That means that we are 1/5 of the way to our goal. And I don't even know that we'll get the one that costs $7.50, but if we have it, then we know we can get it, whatever we want. Okay, so that's everything for this binder. Gifts is gonna get $4. And that's going to give us 22. So we have 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2. And that means we get to color in 2 more gifts. Okay. Okay, and then vacation, which is Calvin's graduation trip, is only getting $1, but hey, every dollar counts, right? Baby steps toward goals, y'all. Baby steps. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 50, 75, 6, 7. So $477 toward his graduation trip, which we thought would be a cruise, but now he's kind of leaning toward this concert he wants to go to. So, you know, maybe it won't be quite that bad. I don't know. Okay, and then our last binder. We have home improvement is going to get $1. So we should have $115 in here. We've got 110, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And that is not divisible by 20, so we're not coloring anything in. Honeymoon is getting $1. Okay, so this is 50, 70, 85, 6, 7, and 8. Oh, wrong way. 88 is not divisible by 40 by any more than has already been colored, so we don't get to color this one either. But we're $1 closer. And then new computer is getting our last dollar. Like I said, these don't get money very often. So this one's got a whopping $3 in it. But it's $3 more than we did have toward that. So there you go. That is everything for the savings challenges this month. My next video is probably going to be a condensing video, so be sure to join me for that one. In the meantime, if you're still in the mood to watch, YouTube has put the best match for you on the screen. Thank you all for joining me. I'll see you next time. Have a great couple days, everybody. Bye.